Alright, what is up guys?
What's up guys?
So we are now at ACE 2021 car show.
It's at Setia Alam Convention Center.
Yep. And we just arrived and got Joe here.
We have Joe around here.
Tika.
Say something.
Hi, what's up guys? So we are at ACE event and we are at Setia Alam Convention Center and we're going to see what cars are debuted over here. There's a lot of people here like Adian, Ivan from Westlake, they're drifters and stuff. And then there are things that we can actually check out inside. So let's go have a look, see.
Yeah. There's even like test drive units outside, so probably if we have some time we'll check it out.
Whack it.
Yeah, we have a lot of cars badgering from Hyundai, Volkswagen,
I want to try the Kona, man. The Hyundai Kona.
Mazdas, you name it, they have it.
Right. So, catch you guys later.
I mean, here we have all the pre-owned cars, huh?
Yeah, it's all the pre-owned cars over here. You have the BMW, you have the Hyundai, you have the Mazdas, and all the way up you have some Mini over there.
But of course, we will, after this, we're going to check out what's inside. Most of the cars inside are all brand new and then up for sale. Even the cars over here.
Okay guys, you're gonna see like a very nice Smurf blue performance car. This is it. The big brother to the i30N. It looks pretty cool though. I don't really see many MPVs in this Smurf blue, like light turquoise blue.
Very economical, but it's like 11 seater.
Yeah, and it's got like aftermarket sporty wheels, man. Like, it's pretty nice.
On 19-inch.
Yeah. This is a Hyundai Starex.
It's the Hyundai Starex.
It's a Starex, yeah, but made to look like the
and
the
this
N
is,
series.
This is the
i30N.
N series i30N.
So Hyundai's first hot hatch performance car.
And look at this. It's a new Elantra.
I like how
the grill.
Kamho extra
The
tire.
grill is awesome.
Keeping it all Korean.
Yeah, man. And then so everything is diamond.
Yeah. It's an awesome grill, but
this one has a very cool rear tail light. Check it out.
Yeah, but I don't like the rim though.
Well, that's the idea.
So during night time, you'll see like a one joint line all the way up there. It's pretty cool. I saw this once on the road and it's like, wow.
But I guess, and people bought this car, they have to change the rim. Because for me, I can't go on with this rim.
So this particular crossover SUV, I've seen it in Brunei before, and it was there since 2017. So Malaysia was a bit slow in getting this in the market, and this is the Hyundai Kona, Kona Baring.
Yeah, it's a 1.6 NA.
This is the pre-facelift. The facelift ones, the new ones are over that side on the near the main hall. So yeah, I don't know why we got it so late, but this sold quite well in Brunei. I think this is one of the main popular crossover SUVs in Brunei, the Hyundai Kona and the Kia Sportage. It comes in funky colours and it's got a very funky headlight design. The main ones are down here. This is like the DRLs.
This is actually a Blue Lagoon, they name it.
Yeah. The thing about our market, right, like Malaysians are very conservative. They don't really like funky designs, especially from Korean brands, which is such a shame. If you go to Brunei, you can see a lot of these Konas around.
But actually the front looks nice. I like the way they design the headlights.
And you never expect that this is the main ones, and this is actually the DRLs and signal.
Oh, this is actually the main. The main headlight.
The main headlight, see? The Bizenon.
So this only function as a DRL and a side signal.
Yep.
Not bad. Well done.
The new one, I think is full LEDs for the facelift ones.
Yeah, after we go and see the facelift version over there.
Okay guys, so I'm going to test drive the i30N. Super underrated hot hatch here in Malaysia. Mainly due to the pricing. Excess duties are quite high here in Malaysia. But yeah, let's check it out, and I'm pretty excited to finally test drive this Korean kimchi hot hatch.
So guys, we are now here with Prasad, that he just have us to test drive the i30N.
Oh, very nice.
And Greg is just testing it the car and to compare with his
What's the
MPS.
disc brake size for the brakes? The front disc brake size for the front? 350 mm, is it? space there.
How many horse is this?
So this 275, right?
27, yeah.
Yeah,
275 and up?
350. About there.
350.
Yes. One thing though, I've driven FK8. I've got my own MPS. I've driven a 3.8 GTI. This one feels very, very. How to say? Not rounded, smooth, but everything clicks well. In a way. Yeah.
Yeah, and this car is actually a 6-speed manual. And it's moving on 270 horsepower and 380 Nm torque. So how do you feel, Greg?
It's pretty nice. Very smooth delivery. Ooh, very linear delivery. Construction here, sorry. Brakes are nice. Brakes are very nicely modulated. Much appreciated. This is such a rare car, man. Even like the 3.8 GTI, there's only 12 units in Malaysia. This is front wheel. The grip is very nice. Very, very nice. A bit of torque steer, but manageable.
A little bit.
Yeah, not just my MPS.
Yeah, it's not as much as your MPS, Greg.
Ah, very solid. Shit.
So
You guys need to trade in, right?
the exhaust sound is actually
I don't know how much my MPS can
from the
can get.
studio radio or what?
Come again? What?
The exhaust sound.
I think it's partially
Artificial, what?
partially amplified inside the cabin. Does it have that exhaust amplification system inside the car?
In the car?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not too sure, bro.
Alright.
Not too sure.
Sounds like there's a bit of additional.
Because
Sound.
I don't think this car got exhaust modified,
Yeah.
right?
Just,
How come that they have this exhaust sound?
oh, this is. But think about this kind of cars, right? Like my MPS is 10 years old, 2011. Still feels solid, but nothing beats like the more modern cars, FK8, this one, A45, and also the Megane RS, right? The build quality seems to be much better lah than these younger cars. You can daily this car easily. Easily daily,
Feels
yeah.
comfortable, even from the back.
Correct, yeah.
Even from riding the back, feel comfortable.
Okay guys, so this is one awesome little kimchi hot hatch. One drive in it and I'm hooked. I mean, like, if you've got a car that you want to trade in for this particular performance unit, do it. It's really worth the money and it's very easy to drive. It's got the power, it's got the traction.
Yeah, the
And
grip is
it's
awesome,
very awesome,
when
yeah.
they corner.
It's still comfortable. I mean, we have 4 people in the car,
Yep.
2 at the back and 2 in front. It still corners nicely, flat.
But surprisingly, for 370 Nm torque, you don't actually
350.
feel the torque.
It's a very linear
Very-
way of pushing the car, the performance, but it's still fun. This is definitely going to be fun up Uliam. Okay, see you guys inside.
Well,
Welcome, you're back.
yeah. So now I guess there's the pre-owned cars here, one of which is Mazda's, and you can see this is I think is a mid spec, and then after that you have a Mazda 2. This is a 2015 model, I believe.
Yep.
And then
And this a 2.2 diesel. It's on the blue. So
But can you imagine a brand new price will cost about near 190 to 200k, but looking at this, okay lah,
153.
it's reasonable.
Yep.
For 153, and then you can see the mileage itself.
They are giving it a free service of 6 years or 120,000 mileage.
I mean, and then you can have another one that's lower. This is also a 2.2 diesel for going for 138,000. And then I think you have a few CX-5 here,
Yeah, it's all actually a pre-registered car.
all pre-registered cars.
Yep. So guys, just now we are at the pre-selection car selection outside, and now we're actually inside the hall, which features all the new cars and new models over here. So we have the UXF
Yeah.
Sport.
This is a new entry into the hatchback segment for Lexus in Malaysia. It's got a very awesome design though. Like, I quite like the side profile. You can see the red one there. You see the roofing. Black and red works very well with the cladding at the side. So yeah, let's check it.
Well, for the boot space, it's not that spacious, but bearable, and it comes with automatic lift and off.
So this is like a luxury Corolla Cross.
Yeah.
In a
or,
way lah, yeah.
or you call it as the same segment as the Mazda CX-30.
Yep, yeah, this is a contender. But I think the pricing is way more.
Yeah, it's way more than the.
So S Sport, this particular model,
it's going to cost you around 290,000. Yeah.
and it starts from 236. So this is way more than the Mazda.
Yep, it's way more than a Mazda. So to buy this one, you can actually afford two Mazda CX-30.
Size-wise,
If I'm not
same,
wrong.
Yeah.
It's absolutely
You check the
same.
size?
Yeah, actually we try out the rear. Actually the rear space is,
Yeah, it's not. You can see.
you have to go there.
Yeah. There you go.
Here.
So ample. Let me sit down. Let me have a look. Let's see.
Macam ni eh?
That more space, and yeah, I got a lot of headroom. But it's got a very simple center armrest with a cup holder.
For the front cockpit, it looks nice, but it's also a little bit cramped because the leg space here is actually widened. So look at it. So I don't feel comfortable putting my leg here like that. Just around probably another 2 inch from my head on the roof, and I'm only like below 170 cm.
Fully digital.
I'm not quite sure, but the clock is analog. We have an analog clock here, push start button. Yeah, it's actually with the HU. I think it comes with the head unit display. Something equivalent like the Mazda CX-30. And we have a touchpad here, so just like your laptop. Just like a laptop without the knob. You know, BMW and Mazda, they have the knob here. So for this car, they're actually having a mouse pad, the touchpad. Can I play the game with it in the car?
Alright, it's not so bad.
So how's your passenger seat in the cockpit? For me, I don't feel very nice on this area because you see the thing is actually blocking my leg. So
I think the
actually,
passenger side is quite okay. You got a lot of space between the door and the seats though.
yeah, but only on my space here is because this thing actually is coming to this end. Probably, is this because left wheelbase to a right wheelbase?
I don't think so. I think it's
No, it's actually no. It's actually no.
but they've got the same controls like Mazda, man.
Yeah,
For the air vents.
but the only unique type was for the analog clock.
And you've got this.
Yeah, this is for the HUD. For the HUD.
I mean the stocks here. It's like the very Lexus trademark design.
Yep, correct. And that's about it. The unit, I think this is what? No, the volume. Alright. You actually can tune your radio over here.
Opens that way.
So I think it's actually the left-hand drive cars, right? Because it opened this way.
Maybe.
It's supposed to open that way, right? Oh no!
Yeah, opens
It's
both ways.
double way!
Surprise!
Surprise!
Yeah. So see,
Okay.
Lexus thought of everything.
Yeah, so actually if the passenger open it, they don't have to open it to the behind.
Okay, Bang, this is for you. You need this. Drop the top. Lexus LC. It's a massive car, very awesome. I think I've seen like 1 or 2 on the road, but just check that out, man. This is drop the top in style, Bang. You need one Bang. Hey guys, so we have a big boss from BMW, Paco,
Hello.
and yeah, one of the tycos of Mazda group as well. So yeah, tell us anything you want to promote, your page, your channel, whatever. Give us a link.
Nothing much, but I have my own YouTube channel. It's a Paco Car Show.
Yeah, we'll put the
So-
link down below.
Yeah. So thanks. Today we are having a roadshow, and I'm a sales advisor at BMW.
At Setia Alam, right?
Setia Alam, yeah.
Yeah. So if you're in the area, drop by Will Cop, check out all the cool beamers and look for Paco.
Thank you. Right, 2 series, first Grand Coupe 218i, and then selling price 211k before July. So after July, they'll go back to the original selling price 218,800. So this is powered by 1.5 liter,
is it a
3-cylinder turbocharged.
is it a hybrid? No,
No,
pure
yeah, it is only petrol.
Okay. Big. But still okay, not as big as the M4, I think.
Yeah,
The M4 is huge, man.
M4, yeah, M4 and TT.
Yeah, it's like too tall.
But when you see the rear car, look very good.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. It's
Yes.
better in person. How many colors is that? The car?
5 colors. Black, white, grey, blue, red.
Right guys, so we're gonna make a move soon, and thank you Paco for having us at your
Thank you.
booth and for showing us the awesome BMW 2 Series. And yeah, if you're in Setia Alam, check out Will Cop and check out Paco. Right, ciao guys.
Thank you.
Okay guys, so that's it from us today. Checking out ACE 2021. It's awesome, and it's been a while since we've been to an event like this for cars. What do you think, Joe?
Well, I think it's great that after 2 years, after all this MCO, we're able to come back to something like this. And I hope all of you guys will come back to events like this and
Do check it out. Yeah.
do check it out.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. See you guys soon.
See you guys. Ciao.